In this video, we will introduce you to 5 crypto altcoins that could potentially help you earn $1 million in crypto fast. While you are here, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on all the latest crypto trends. Let's jump right in with our first project we would like to highlight called Metis. Metis is a general-purpose optimistic rollup built on Ethereum. This means the Metis protocol can support smart contract development, decentralized applications, and more scalable transaction processing. Rollups are attractive because they leverage lower gas fees and faster transaction processing. However, semantic web users want more than faster transactions. Therefore, many Layer 2 scaling solutions double as smart contract platforms or virtual machines. The Metis crypto protocol aims to solve the scalability trilemma and simultaneously achieve security, scalability, and decentralization. To ensure the lowest cost, the Metis Smart L2 only posts the minimal amount of data necessary on Layer 1, holding the transaction data off-chain. Compared to Layer 1 Ethereum, storage on Memo Labs is substantially less expensive to include. Any defective actors in Metis' system are charged and replaced through continuous rotational cycles. The peer network, which consists of block producers, sequencers, and verifiers, completes this task. This method incentivizes actors to act beneficially and keep 100% uptime. Possibly the greatest benefit of using the Metis protocol is its Ethereum-compatible virtual machine. Metis is a Layer 2 scaling protocol designed for Ethereum applications and developers of dApps. It focuses on making transactions faster and cheaper. The Metis virtual machine is EVM-compatible. It looks, feels, and behaves like Ethereum. Conversely, it is cheaper, faster, and easier to use than Ethereum. The Metis Layer 2 blockchain supports Solidity smart contracts in the same way as the Ethereum Layer 1 does. Metis is a member of Genesee DKey, a venture capitalist decentralized autonomous corporation spearheaded by Natalia Amelin, Vitalik Buterin's mother. Q1 is full of catalysts for Metis. There will be huge ecosystem development fund of 4.6 million Metis that will be dedicated to accelerating development and adoption on the Metis ecosystem. Decentralized sequencer incentives will also be granted, which will kick off Metis LSD Fi. The decentralized sequencer is a first for not only Metis, but for all Layer 2 projects. And thirdly, the ZK Hybrid Rollup Tech release, which will allow for privacy scaling, cheaper transactions, and enhanced security in a fast manner. Metis currently has a market cap of 400 million. A market cap of 30 billion is not crazy to think of in a bull run. That is a nice 75x from here. Our second project we would like to highlight is Say. In essence, Say Network aims to provide a highly optimized, efficient, and scalable blockchain solution specifically designed for trading applications, setting it apart from general-purpose Layer 1 blockchains. Layer 1 blockchains focus either on general-purpose applications or specific app solutions. Say Network introduces a novel approach by being a sector-specific Layer 1, particularly optimized for the needs of decentralized exchanges. Say Network's core infrastructure includes centralized order books, which are utilized by various decentralized exchanges with limited order books. This approach signifies a shift towards more developed DeFi ecosystems, where the centralized order books are synchronized with each closing block. This innovative strategy broadens the applicability of the Say network across diverse applications. Say has implemented several important improvements into its underlying network architecture, including the Twin Turbo consensus mechanism that achieves an industry-leading level of performance. This mechanism provides a lower bound time to the finality of 300 ms in Say's internal testnet, which is 10 times faster than Solana. In addition, Say has a native order matching engine built into the chain that enables exchange apps built on top of it to scale effectively. Say also makes use of market-based parallelization to increase throughput by 10 times greater than most other high-performance ecosystems. The chain has a front-running prevention mechanism that prevents malicious front-running, which is a widespread issue in other ecosystems. These are just a few of the innovative features that SAI has incorporated into its infrastructure to optimize the performance of trading applications. Furthermore, with SAI's numerous bridging partners, there will be async composability for IBC, EVM, and SVM ecosystems. A large portion of SAI's technical success comes from its twin-turbo consensus. SAI's liquidity hub and its underlying technology can be beneficial for a range of dApps on the network. With SAI's liquidity management system, DeFi, GameFi, and NFT apps can offer their users a more profound liquidity system and cost-effective exchange process while leveraging the agility and efficiency of the SAI blockchain. Unlike general-purpose L1s such as Ethereum, Solana, and BSC, SAI focuses on optimizing every layer of the stack to offer infrastructure for any kind of trading app. SAI currently has a market cap of 1.7 billion. A market cap of 50 billion is doable in a bull run for this project. That is roughly a 30x from here. As our third project, we would like to highlight Injective Protocol. Injective is a decentralized exchange that offers cross-chain margin trading, derivatives, and forex futures trading. Unlike other popular decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or Bancor, Injective does not use an automated market maker formula to manage liquidity. Instead, it follows the order book model widely used for years across centralized stock and crypto exchanges. This way, Injective aims to match the efficiency of traditional finance with the transparency of decentralized exchanges. Instead of paying network gas fees to execute each transaction, Injective traders only pay standard market maker and taker fees using Injective coins. Injective coins also serve as the platform's governance token and staking mechanism to power Injective's proof of stake-based blockchain. Injective Protocol comprises several components that support the functionality and development of its decentralized exchange. The Injective chain is a decentralized exchange built on Cosmos that allows for the transferring and trading of Ethereum tokens. This chain aims to address the scaling and throughput limitations experienced by many Layer 1 blockchains, while still allowing developers to use the Ethereum development kits they are familiar with. Injective Hub is the dashboard that provides users with an overview and functionality to make the most of the Injective protocol. Users can access the Injective Hub to stake their Injective and become network validators tasked with upholding the security of the proof-of-stake blockchain. Injective holders can also choose to delegate their tokens to network validators and earn a percentage of their rewards in return. Injective has done a fantastic job at revolutionizing the way decentralization and scalability are achieved in the blockchain space. Furthermore, the team's commitment to innovation and their willingness to continuously improve their platform, combined with their strong partnerships, put them in a great position to succeed in the long term. Injective currently has a market cap of 3 billion. A market cap of 80 billion is doable in a bull run for this unique project. That is a 27x from here. Our fourth project we would like to highlight is Casper. Casper is an instant confirmation transaction layer built on a proof-of-work engine that is both fast and scalable. Transactions sent to miners can be added to the ledger immediately and are structured in a revolutionary block DAG. Based on the Ghost DAG protocol, Casper is a scalable generalization of the Nakamoto consensus. Its design follows the principles of Bitcoin, with proof-of-work mining, a deflationary monetary policy, no pre-mine, and no central governance. Casper is unique in its ability to support high block rates while maintaining the level of security offered by the most secure proof-of-work environments. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies, Casper does not suffer from a security scalability decentralization trade-off. This is because decentralized cryptocurrencies limit their block creation rate in order to limit orphans, which are off-chain blocks created during the time it takes for a latent block to be propagated across the network. Casper's consensus layer uses Ghost DAG, a proof-of-work consensus protocol that generalizes Nakamoto's chain into a directed acyclic graph of blocks to to solve this trade-off. This results in a cryptocurrency that is supported by 51% security, with a high number of miners and nodes, and has throughput on the order of 1 block per second. Casper's consensus layer also supports fast confirmations, enabling use cases that require immediate proof of publication, such as e-commerce. This is in contrast to traditional cryptocurrencies, which have slow block rates that result in slow confirmations. Slow block rates also result in high variance of mining income, incentivizing miners to join larger mining pools. Casper's fast block rate decreases the variance of mining income, which decreases the incentive to join mining pools, contributing to mining decentralization. In summary, Casper is a promising blockchain project that offers a revolutionary solution to the scalability problem of decentralized cryptocurrencies. Its innovative technology, based on the Ghost DAG protocol, allows for high block rates and fast confirmations without compromising security or decentralization. This makes Casper an ideal platform for a wide range of use cases, including e-commerce and DeFi. Casper currently has a market cap of $2.5 billion. With the big-brained people behind Casper, a market cap of at least $100 billion is not crazy to think of in the next bull run. That is a nice 40x from here. As our final project of this video, we present you Render Token. Render Token is designed to revolutionize the 3D rendering industry. Leveraging the power of blockchain technology, Render provides an efficient and secure way for creators to access the powerful computers needed for complex rendering tasks. Essentially, anyone can join the Render network and create or rent out computational resources to speed up the rendering process. Render acts as a bridge between creatives and render nodes, a distributed network of powerful computers, allowing them to work together harmoniously and make rendering faster, easier, and more secure. Render also facilitates the crowdsourcing of 3D projects and digital asset trading, creating an ecosystem of creative digital assets, applications, and ideas accessible to all. Render Token's GPU-powered renders are not limited to film production. They are also applicable for video game design, VR experiences, and beyond, empowering the entire media sector to produce high-quality visuals in a fraction of the time. In addition to incentivizing people to join the network, Render Tokens can also be used to purchase computing resources within the Render network. By contributing their computing resources and purchasing additional resources with Render Tokens, users are rewarded for their participation. This token reward system not only helps to benefit creators and render nodes, but also incentivizes users to hold on to their tokens as their value increases with increased demand. As such, this system is designed to not only promote a healthy and prosperous render network, but also to encourage users to invest in and participate in the growth of the network, helping to drive success for all involved. Overall, Render creates an ecosystem of creative digital assets, applications, and ideas accessible to all, empowering the entire media sector to produce high-quality visuals in a fraction of the time. With its efficient and secure platform, Render is well positioned to revolutionize the 3D rendering industry and AI space. Render currently has a market cap of $1.8 billion. Render is a unique AI project, and we think that a market cap of $60 billion is possible in a bull run. That is a 33x from here. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on all the latest crypto trends.